Hello Cancer, for today's video, let's do a career tarot reading for you. I-check natin kung ano ang energy, opportunities, blessings, and advice for you. But before that, I would like to say thank you sa mga bagong followers, subscribers ng ating mga social media accounts. I really appreciate you guys for liking, commenting, and sharing our videos, following, subscribing as well. Thank you for your energies. I truly appreciate your support. And yeah, for those naman na gusto ng private sessions with me, you can contact me sa mga social media na nasa description ng video na ito. Let's see kung ano ang energy ng iyong career, Cancer. This is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn, and any placement sa iyong natal chart, birth chart if you have Cancer sa mga nasabi kong charts. Let's see. We got the High Priestess, Three of Wands, the Chariot, Four of Cups, Six or Nine of Cups pala, I'm sorry. And the Star card. Oh, ang energy ng career mo, ngayon Cancer, you're more listening sa sarili mo. And you're moving with intentions. For some of you, merong magandang opportunities away from home, pwedeng abroad. Pasensya na po sa ingay. But hopefully my voice is clear and louder. Ano yun nga. The energy of your career, there's parang tahimik ka lately, pero you're doing your job. You're trying to push further nang hindi ka masyadong gumagawa ng ingay. And for some of you here, kontento ka na kung nasan ka man ngayon. There's contentment. At the same time, you're still hoping for the best. If you are in a better situation than before right now, you are hoping for the best. And meron ka ditong wish come true. Or may mga plano kang natupad, may plan kang natupad, nangyari na. And for your advice and guidance sa iyong career, I heard plano. So, madami kang plano. Meron akong nakikita ring emotional fulfillment dito towards your career. Guidance and opportunities for Cancer. What are these? We got the Hermit, King of Cups, the Tower, Eight of Wands, the Empress, and Nine of Wands. Ayun. Ang nakikita kong guidance and opportunity, you are isolating yourself. Hindi dahil nilalayo mo ang sarili mo sa mga tao or sa mga taong mahalaga sa'yo. Pero you are reflecting kasi more on your achievements, on your goals and plans. Meron din ako nakikitang changes when it comes to your home energy. This could also when it comes to your emotions towards a father figure or a parent. Parang nagkakaroon ng pagbabago the way you see this person or the way you feel towards this person emotionally. For some of you guys, you're working sa health industry, so maring makaramdam ka ng gusto mong mag-isolate para mag-reflect at makita pa yung bigger picture ng career mo if this is you're really planning to do for a long term. There's also another energy of help here. Kung ikaw ay nag-iisip if there's a help coming to somehow help you sa kung ano man yung mga kailangan mo, I can see that it's coming here. Oo, meron ako nakikitang ganon. For some of you, gusto nyong mag-focus ngayon sa mga sarili ninyo eh. Meron akong birth of ideas na nakikita dito that can help you expand your career. Especially if you're working as well in beauty industry. Mas mag-e-enroll ka sa classes or meron ako nakikita dito, you will feel good and mas mag-aayos ka, pwedeng may babaguhin ka physically that will help you attract more blessings sa iyong career, more opportunities and attention. Syempre, para maka-magnetize or maka-attract tayo ng magagandang energies, we have to groom ourselves, prioritize ourselves somehow. And meron ako nakikita dito, for some of you will observe more rather than think and gumawa ng hakbang. Mag-observe ka muna. And for some of you, if you're waiting for a messages of confirmation, approval, medyo meron ako nakikitang delay here. So what I can see as well is be patient when it comes to this one. And for your advice naman, may delays akong nakikita. For some, it is a no. Sa delays naman, may mga kailangan ka i-resubmit dito na applications, na requirements. For your advice, Cancer, Six of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Temperance, Eight of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and Eight of Cups. Meron ako nakikita that you have to really be serious when it comes to your income. Ang ganda ng umpisa ng flow ng iyong career eh. Pero ang nakita ko dito, minsan nagkakaroon ka ng parang ang daming tagas when it comes to your income. Hindi mo masyadong nakikita kung saan papunta, kung saan ba dapat ang iyong income. Meron ako nakikita dito parang irresponsible spendings. Meron akong nakikitang ganun. Hardworking ka naman eh. Pero may mga habits ka pa rin. Parang hindi siya nakakatulong sa'yo. More on, mas madami kang gastos kesa sa naiipon. Again, I apologize for some noises. Ayun, kailangan iwan mo yung mga hindi nakakatulong na spendings. I-prioritize mo yung needs mo kaysa sa wants mo. And for others of you, may mga hindi ka pa tapos na project na madalas mo siyang iniiwan sa ere. Kailangan mo yung balikan. And wag mong ihabit yung yung kahit hindi ka pa tapos sa isang project, mag-jump ka na naman or lilipat ka na naman, gagawin mo na naman yung isa pang project kahit hindi pa tapos. Kaya minsan nagkakasabay-sabay sila. And ayun, my advice for you is focus on what you can and be mindful when it comes to your spending habits. So this is your reading, Cancer. I hope nakatulong.